Hi beauties, I know it's been a long time and I'm just back with another hair tutorial, but this time I'm not actually reviewing my natural hair, hence the why it looks crazy right now. But I actually just recently purchased a wig. But mainly this wig is for just Halloween purposes. I usually don't wear wigs, you know that I'm all natural. But I wanted to try something out. I was like, you know what? Let me just get a lace front wig. I got this from Amazon, and it's supposed to be like, I guess, all like, I guess real hair inside. So it's not a mixture. It's just 100% human hair with I think it's a Brazilian wave. Cynosure hair. I think that's how you say it. I've never purchased from them before, and I think they just mainly sell hair. So this is what it looks like outside of the bag, the little satin bag it gives you. And of course there's a hair net on it. But this is the lace right here. And then I'm gonna show you what all it comes with, because it doesn't just come with regular hair or just hair. It also comes with a little wig cap, and then they also gave me these lashes, and they're super cute. Like, the packaging is super cute. They're thick, they're not wing, which is perfect for my eyes. So if you have big eyes like me, do not get wing lashes. And I'm not a lash person, but I would definitely wear these. Okay, so I've never installed a wig before. This is my first time. So all I did was just cornrow my hair, 2 braids to the back, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use their cap because I don't have anything like that will mesh my hair down together like it should anyway. So I'm just gonna use this. It's the closest thing I could find. It's my first time installing a wig. The lace front, I'm honestly probably not gonna show you guys the installation, but I will show you what it looks like on me. It's literally like a little stocking. Oh, okay, that's weird. Okay, so there's a hole in the stocking. It looks like an actual stocking, and it just cut the tip. So I'm just gonna assume that you place it on your head first. That's probably what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna tie it at the top, most likely. That way I know it's fitting my head correctly. So honestly guys, like, I don't think this is going to work that well. Have some of my edges out like that, and then just take this tip, and then I'm gonna, I guess, do that right there, the little knot. Honestly, like, I'm just working as I go. Yeah, so that's the stocking cap. Here's the wig. As you can see, it needs to be stretched out. It does kind of smell like the beauty supply store. Like, you can smell, like, I don't know, it smells like chemicals. I think that this hair is not unprocessed. I feel like it's been processed. Like, honestly, I'm not sure if this is real hair. It feels like real hair, but I mean, you never know. Like, a lot of companies say, hey, it's real hair, but honestly, you never know if it's real hair or not. It smells very processed. And I see this little white thing in there. It's not gray hair. Honestly, it's like a string or something. I'm trying to get out. Whew, bear with me, guys. Okay, I finally got that little string out. So yeah, it's like 16 inches, if I haven't said that already. 16 inches. Right Right here, you can see the little baby hairs. It is pre-plucked. It's lace in the front. There's lace in the back. And it has the combs and adjustable straps inside. So it's one comb in the back, 2 combs on the sides, and a comb in the front. But it's not really like in the front, but it's in the middle. It'll be in the middle of your head. So let's see if this thing fits or not and what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I can already tell this is gonna be a struggle. This looks weird. This is my first time putting a wig on. My head already looks huge. I can tell you that right now. This is what it looks like fresh out of the bag. I haven't brushed it or stretched it or washed it yet, but this is what it looks like. Honestly, I would definitely wash this before putting this, like, or trying to style this and everything. I would wash it. I do suggest like plucking it a little more right here, as you can see. But it comes with baby hairs. Probably gotta bring this more down or down a little bit more because I can see my. All right, so yeah, so this is what it looks like. I would definitely pluck this a little more because it's kind of thick up here. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Definitely gonna wash this, and if you have a mannequin, I suggest like starting off with your mannequin head. As far as like true to length for 16 inches, if you was to stretch this out and like, you know, like straighten it and stuff and brush it or whatever, like now I'm doing this, like it's starting to look a lot better than it did before. Like as I'm combing my fingers through it, it's starting to look a lot better already. But honestly, like, wigs aren't for me. I would probably just use this for my makeup tutorial videos, but I mean, it's not a bad wig. I suggest washing it. I suggest plucking this wig. As far as like the natural curl pattern of the hair, it's fine. Everything else is fine. But yeah, I would pre-pluck all this. And I would suggest a super tight cap if you have one, if you have thick hair like me. But other than that, like, it's really not bad. I think I purchased this wig for probably, I think it was like $76, $74, somewhere around there. But that's not bad for a 16-inch, like, you know, human hair wig. Especially being lace front. It has lace in the back as well. But I don't know how to work with the back lace. But yeah, so that concludes my video. Please tell me what you guys think. Please comment below, like this video if you think this was interesting and it gave you some advice. If not, please tell me what I could do better. But yeah, this is my first wig. So pray for me. All right, bye guys.